Starting around 13 July 2023, Dogecoin generally is exchanging at $0.065 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.43% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely huge. Doge for the most part has an all-out market cap of $9,159,767,540, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $175,833,814 in an in every practical sense, significant way. This in a real sense makes Dogecoin, Doge positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin essentially be genuinely worth in 2023? Which sort of is very critical. Is Dogecoin a sort of wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, in an all things considered, significant way? Will Doge cost fundamentally outperform its record-breaking high? Or so they certainly thought. These by and large are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, exhibiting the way in which Doge for the most part has a truly all-out market cap of $9,159,767,540, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $175,833,814 in an especially significant manner. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost is supposed to for the most part cross a sort of normal value level of $0.078, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Dogecoin. Toward the finish of the all things considered current year ought to especially be $0.075, which truly is genuinely huge. Besides, Doge can basically arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.088 in a sort of enormous manner. Dogecoin, Doge value gauge July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Dogecoin certainly is really anticipated to generally arrive at a kind of typical cost of $0.068, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.070 and a fundamentally least of $0.061. Incredibly, Doge value figure August 2023. The Dogecoin gauge for August 2023 expects that the Doge might arrive at a fundamentally most extreme worth of $0.073 with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.067 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the in every way that really matters, normal value Doge can basically stretch around $0.070 for August, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin value figure September 2023. The kind of normal cost of Dogecoin, Doge could commonly go to $0.072 toward the finish of September 2023, which essentially is very critical. Doge could for the most part be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.077, with the by and large least expected cost of $0.069, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin, Doge value figure October 2023. The Dogecoin, Doge cost for October 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a very least worth of $0.071, while the sort of greatest estimated cost generally is around $0.080, or so they truly thought. The truly normal cost for Doge especially is really anticipated to by and large reach $0.073 in October 2023, showing how Doge value figure August 2023. The Dogecoin gauge for August 2023 expects that the Doge may by and large arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.073 with a fundamentally least cost of around $0.067, or so they for the most part thought. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. Dogecoin cost explicitly is supposed to generally reach between $0.073 to $0.084 in November 2023. While the exceptionally normal cost of Doge for the November for the most part remains around $0.076, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Doge in December 2023 generally is $0.075, with a kind of typical cost of $0.078, which shows that Dogecoin value expectation November 2023 Dogecoin cost in a real sense is supposed to generally reach between $0.073 to $0.084 in November 2023, while the extremely normal cost of Doge for the November truly remains around $0.076 Dogecoin value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the all things considered greatest cost for Dogecoin could for the most part stretch around $0.088 in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin by and large past value examination and the beyond 24 hours, the crypto essentially has been generally diminished by 0.01% in its especially current worth, so Doge sort of has a sort of complete market cap of $9,159,767,540, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $175,833,814, which is genuinely critical. Assuming we explicitly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap generally is likewise down in a very enormous manner. Dogecoin for the most part is confronting an exceptionally difficult time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Doge is down to nearly 3.81% in the by and large most recent 7 days, showing how Dogecoin, Doge value conjecture July 2023, for July 2023. The cost of Dogecoin basically is explicitly anticipated to, for the most part, arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0.068, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $0.070 and in every way that really matters, least of $0.061 in an unpretentious way. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could sort of have major areas of strength for truly yet. We don't in every practical sense believe that it would a productive resource in sort of momentary in a huge manner. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge truly diminished by 31.169%, disposing of an incredible kind of typical amount of $0.030 from its especially current worth, which certainly is genuinely huge. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a very decent in a real sense purchase and open door for essentially speedy interest in an extremely significant manner. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 24.33%, and the cost commonly flowed from a genuinely least by and large normal cost of $0.085 to kind of greatest truly normal cost of $0.088 in the all things considered recent days, exhibiting how the coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections 4 in every practical sense past not many days. The coin could for the most part have all things considered solid basics at the same time. We don't